Okay, let's continue on with our robot. And you're going to get a smaller piece of cardboard now. It's a little bit narrower than your first one. And we're going to add some details to our robot. But before I show you the details I'm going to add, I want you to know that however you want to make your details, you can. I'm just showing you some ideas, but if you have other ideas, you can certainly do that as well. Everyone's going to start out with their robot looking kind of alike, but from now on, your robot might look different than your neighbor's, and that is completely fine. So I'm going to use the end of my cardboard piece. I'm going to dab it into the paint. And the first thing I'm going to do is I want to add the neck to my robot, just like that. Now, robots have some type of antenna, at least the robots I've seen. So you can put one antenna or two antennas, however you want your robot to look. It's completely up to you. I'm going to do just one antenna here. I'm going to use the side of my piece of cardboard, and I'm going to make some other lines like that for his antenna. I'm going to finish his arm. Now at the end of his arm, he's going to have a hand, but robots don't have hands like you and I. Robots have hands that are kind of like maybe pinchers. So I'm going to use the letter V, like that, and over here. But again, however you imagine your robot to be. I do want to add boots or feet to my robot, and you can add your feet the way you would like. I'm thinking my robot's going to have some big feet. So I'm going to make his feet kind of big. All right. And maybe well, he has to have some type of a control panel. So maybe I'll make a line across like that, and maybe right up here is where the sound comes out, and I'm gonna do something like and then that way. Okay. And what else? Oh, maybe I'm going to give some lines on his legs here. All right. Now I have to think of his face. And oh, wait a minute here. Maybe, I need some eyes. I'm going to be coming around and putting out a marker at your table. We're not going to use the marker, the actual marker. We're going to be using the top to the marker. And the top to the marker is going to make a nice eye. You can use the top, or you can use the bottom part of the marker if you want a bigger eye. So I'm just going to get some paint on it. And there's that. Let's see what how the big end, what kind of mark that makes. So maybe I'll do that. Oh, I kind of like that. All right, so then maybe I'll add some, these are just knobs down here to control the robot. And oh, the mouth. You can do the mouth however you'd like. Maybe you just want a line across like that. That could be easy. Whatever you think. All right, I think my robot's done. What do you think? Do you like it? I can't wait to see what yours looks like.